Hello there, I'm Faye of Unravel and Unwind, and today we've got an unboxing for you. It's the December 2020 Papergang box. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I'd open it here with you guys and see what goodies we've got for December 2020. So these come through your letterbox once a month. They're £14 a month on a rolling month, or you can buy quarterly subscriptions, biannual subscription and an annual subscription. So let's open it and see what we've got inside. It's really tough to open. Got it. Right, so first things first, we've got some washi tape. Oh, they're little individual stickers on washi tape. Individual stickers. We've got little dots. I'm assuming these two arrows go in that gap there. More dots. That's really cool. Sticky dots. Wavy lines. More sticky dots. And yes, obviously those arrows came from that section that looked really empty. That they were stuck down. So really useful washi tape. So for decorating up your journals, I'd imagine. Put that to one side. So what have we got in our December 2020 box? We got some advertising gumph in the bottom. I tend to keep all the tissue paper. I have uses for it. So we're going to carefully take that out of there. Right, here we go. Our complimentary little book that tells us about the artist for the month. So our artist this month is Jade Walsh, and there's a little interview with her there, examples of some of her other artwork, and information about what we've got in this box. A nice little booklet there, and then there's social information on the back. Right, so we've got a little booklet with some pencil post-its. Oh, they go that way. I was expecting them to come up from that way, but they don't. They go that way. So little pencil post-its that look nice in a lovely colourful journal. What have we got here? Gosh, that's really bright. So we've got a postcard. We've got some little plants. We've got a string of coins. We've got a little sprout, prickly pear, and a fiddly fig leaf. So this kind of printing, it reminds me of the risograph machine that's down at Intra. It has that kind of feel to it and those colours to it. Really nice. Nice bright pink pencil, a regular HB pencil. This is a nice note set. So these are today's, like a daily pad. So you've got like the times of the day down here, so you can plan your day out of when you're going to do certain things, your objectives for the day, any notes for the day. You can put the date up here in the pencil, and at the bottom here we have a little box. Today I'm proud of. So what are you proud of today? And it's the same all the way through. Obviously my question is how's it going to handle a fountain pen? So I'm gonna do that right now. So today's date is, we're on the 14th of December now. 14/12. Today I'm proud of all the videos that I've made. So we'll see how that coats with fountain pen. It seemed to write okay. And it hasn't bled. We'll look on the other side. Okay, you can see it a little bit there. There is some ghosting on the other side of the page. And lastly, we've got a calendar for 2021. month to view wall calendar. Oh, it's nice quality cardboard. Plants, lovely. And there we go. I could use this as a birthday calendar, actually. I have a bad habit of not using calendars regularly. I like the image for February. A field guide to butterflies. She must have known that butterflies are my favourite, and February is my birth month. March, your super duper. Pencil rainbow for April showers. And obviously May, it gets a bit warmer in May, so you're prepping yourself for summer. June, go out and ride your bikes. July, we've got creative ice cream flavours. Chili, rose petal, sweet potato, cactus, coronation chicken ice cream flavour. Smurf, mayonnaise, green tea and chicken wing. That's quite amusing. Roller coaster for August. Envelopes for September. Encouraging you to just go out and write letters to everyone, which I've started doing. Ship in a bottle for October. That's quite relevant because we're taking a trip on our boat next year and we plan to be home by October, by the end of October. That's quite amusing. Origami dinosaur for November. And beautiful hair bows for December. And that is the 2021 calendar. Very lovely little box this time, and I look forward to using it. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.